Hi everyone, welcome back to Financial Flourishment, the YouTube channel dedicated to helping you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best 7 books about personal finance for beginners. As a beginner in personal finance, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why I've put together this list of 7 must-read books that cover the basics of personal finance, from budgeting to investing. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This book is a great starting point for anyone looking to take control of their finances. It covers everything from budgeting to debt reduction to investing. Dave Ramsey has helped millions of people get out of debt and build wealth, and his strategies are easy to understand and implement. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book is a classic in the personal finance world. It teaches the differences between how rich people and poor people think about money, and how you can adopt a rich mindset to achieve financial success. It's a great read for anyone looking to shift their mindset and start thinking about money in a new way. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. This book is a great introduction to investing for beginners. It covers the basics of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, and teaches you how to build a simple, low-cost portfolio that will grow over time. It's a great read for anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't know where to begin. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book teaches you how to achieve financial independence by changing the way you think about money. It covers topics like budgeting, saving, and investing, but also delves into the deeper psychological aspects of money and how it affects our lives. It's a great read for anyone who wants to achieve financial freedom and live life on their own terms. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book is based on a comprehensive study of millionaires in America, and it teaches you the habits and behaviors that millionaires have in common. It's a great read for anyone who wants to learn from the people who have already achieved financial success. The Boglehead's Guide to Investing by Taylor Larimore, Mel Lindauer, and Michael Lebov. This book is another great introduction to investing for beginners. It covers the basics of index fund investing, which is a simple and low-cost way to invest in the stock market. It's a great read for anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't want to spend a lot of time or money on it. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. This book is a classic in the personal finance world. It teaches timeless lessons about money and wealth through a series of parables set in ancient Babylon. It's a great read for anyone who wants to learn about money in a fun and engaging way. So there you have it, the 7 best books about personal finance for beginners. We hope this list has been helpful. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies about personal finance.